Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about duotone and tritone. So let's start the program over here.
Let's change the background color, shall we?
Let's change the themes as usual. Maybe I should add more backgrounds. I would like, yeah,
The background of the editor is ready. Let's load some textures.
very similar to the previous one. So let's load some textures, actually some wallpapers, because it's more visible the effect here. Let's resize it. And first time duotone. So let's say the shadow should be something red and the highlight something like this. As you can see here, maybe it's artifact. I don't know. If you have some suggestion about that, what exactly is happening, let me know. So let's try another.
She is one of us. Yes, let's see the effect.
Another wallpaper. Let's see what is going to happen here. Say green one, the highlight and the shadow, let's say blue. Oh, interesting. Oh,
We've done. Do you need more tasks?
that's all for duo. Let's try the tritone. When you manage three colors, I mean three, not exactly colors, but midtone, shadow and highlight. So let's try with blue colors. The shadow should be darker blue, mid something like this maybe, and the highlight, let's say something like this. Takes take time to, oh, it's pinky, pinky. Oh, it's interesting effect. Highlight the shadows, and let's try another image. Landscape, maybe this one. Yeah, tone. So let's try with yellow, mid green for shadow, dark green, and highlight something like this. Let's see. Oh, you can play around and test for yourself to see the different effect of duotone and tritone. So let's check out them over here. This one, and this one. Maybe this is very similar to duotone. I'm sorry, um,
Let's the code explain begin.
so let's see the code. over here in apply function, just extracting the parameters for the texture or the wallpaper, getting the gray color, and then linear interpolation between A and B, and multiplying by this parameter the tone, and here basically between this color shadow and highlight and the tone, that is actually the gray divided by this value. And so basically for each of the channels RGB, and then sending them to the pixel data. And here is the export, and it is very similar in the three-tone, just the difference is over here with the middle and middle to highlight. So basically from shadow to mid, based on that condition, and multiplying the tone by 2, or if it's less than 0.5, it is another multiplying and dividing for the local tone. And the linear interpolation is the same, it just having it is added this condition. And export over here, and here is a structure for the color RGB. It's pretty simple. This color, mid, highlight, and shadow is the structure that contains unsigned chars RGB. And here also the export. And let's check out here in the image just the two functions for tritone and duotone. Here in ImGUI, open pop-up and color picker, shadow and highlight, just static float arrays of 3 values, shadow select and highlight select. Then unsigned char arrays, and multiplying because the value is between 0 and 1, and just multiplying by this value to get between 0 and 255, and store the values over here in the shadow color and highlight color, and passing to the type definition structure of color, and these arrays are stored in the RGB unsigned chars, and passing them to the apply function, shadow and highlight. Basically the same for the tritone, just one more array of mid select, mid color, and the color structure mid, and the same applies here, and then passing them to the apply function.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato! Until next time!